Hey traders, let's have a look at silver and gold. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alrighty, so silver and gold time. Look at the silver weekly chart. Let's have a quick look at the weekly chart, what's going on there. And we're still getting into getting into this oval triangle pattern there, squeezing up. And look at that big sort of, if I take that off the screen, take everything off the screen here, you can see what's happening. We're just going sideways through here. So I would like to see a break up and out of this. That's what I would like to see. But we still actually have a possibility of breaking down towards the 19, maybe even down the 1950 level. We still actually have a potential to see that. So I would not be surprised if that actually happens. So, but even if it does have a breakdown, guys, I think it's still likely to hold, and then we're likely to rally out. So on a overall look on silver, but we're still in this overall squeezed up sort of triangle pattern. Now looking on the daily chart with all my funky dunky indicators, we can see that we are sort of, again, let me just bring that up through there. You can see basically we're squeezing up and squeezing up. We just don't know where we're going to break out. And again, guys, I wouldn't be too surprised to actually see a breakdown here for a little bit, and then maybe a snap back, and then a rally back up towards the high side. So squeezing up into this triangle pattern, and we're holding here, we're holding here, we're holding here. We're just holding all the way up. Really interesting to see what happens here. Now, guys, one thing I've heard is that traders in the past, the reason why there's a lot of people short in the metals, in say obviously gold and silver, is because apparently, I haven't done any research on this, but I heard from traders that June, July, August would tend to be bearish months, and traders, you could actually trade that, and most of the time the market would go down within that. And so, you know, if you go back to obviously you can see last June, July, August, it went down. If I go, let's go have a look at this on this chart here. So let's have a look at this through here. So so June, July into August basically went down sideways there that month. We have here June, July, August down that year, 2013. We actually have June, July, and then into August. We actually had quite a significant drop in August, and then also that. So as you can see, that you can actually see that most of the June, July, August tend to be overall down months with the metals. Now, a lot of people are being short based on, I heard from an interview that a lot of people are short based on that. And this is actually quite different, because what tends to happen is in the cycle of silver and gold is that generally the booming months seem to be September and onwards through the rest of the year. Now, due to the fact that June, July, August have been quite bullish months, that's been saying something. And they're saying that if the silver and gold market does hold up in the August, then we could see some pretty decent moves coming into the bullish times of silver and gold. So really interesting to see what's happening on the silver market there. Let's go have a look at the gold market. And gold market, pretty much same thing. Not really doing much, sort of squeezing up here. Do we get a break up? Do we get a breakout? Just pretty much nothing to talk about on this here. Stochastics are not down the bottom there yet, so again, I wouldn't be surprised if we had a bit of a fallout there. Now let me go and have a look. Let me go show you the actual ETFs, because this is really interesting to see what's happening with the actual ETFs. The ETFs, I'm noticing that we're getting the stochastics down the bottom here once again. So very, very, very interesting is that the ETFs are holding strong. We have been tapering off though. We have been tapering off. The volume has been tapering off basically through this sideways movement. So really, really interesting to see what's that. Do we actually get a break up or a break down? Even if we get a breakdown, I think it's going to be short-lived and then it's going to rally. And looking at GLD as well too. GLD is almost this. You can see the market is almost at that low point there. Last time we got that, we had a bit of a rally to the high side. So there we go, guys. Really, really interesting. It's very, very, very interesting times right now, and we're just gonna watch it. And at the end of the day, guys, sometimes the best trade you take is no trade at all. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.